This is Jake Pazicki with an ACT Science data interpretation question. Now this question is asking us to look at the table 1, and to analyze the way that a change in one variable, in this case the way that a doubling of the mass, will affect another variable, in this case the forces on R1 and R2, as we can see through all of our answer choices. Now to do this, whenever we have a question that has, whenever the answer choices have lots of words and multiple scenarios and they're a little more complicated than just something numeric, I like to go through each of these answers and make sure that we've eliminated or validated every single answer, because one could be right or one could be a little bit more right. So let's just start with answer choice A. The forces on R1 and R2 are also doubled. So when we double the mass, R1 and R2, the forces on those two ropes are also doubled. So if that's true, anywhere that we see the mass doubling, so from 50 to 100 or from 100 to 200, we should also see the forces in R1 and R2 doubling. So if we look at this, we see that is happening. 564 times 2 is 1128. 282 times 4 is 564. 1128 times 2 is 2256. 564 times 2 is 1128. So we see that every time that we double the mass, so from here to here and from here to here, the force on the ropes is also doubled. So we can leave that up for now. It seems like that answer is probably correct. Moving on, answer choice B, the force in R1 is doubled, but the force in R2 is not. We know that's not true because as we doubled the mass, we saw that the force in R1 and R2 is doubled both times. And the same for answer choice C. R1, we see that the force of R1 is also doubled whenever we do this. And answer choice D can be eliminated because we've seen that R1 and R2, the force in both of those ropes doubles each time. So our answer choice is the only one that we're left with. Answer choice A.